What can you tell us that's new, Edward Lawrence, at the White House?
You know, I think your assessment is actually right. This is a little bit of backing off of some of the tariffs. And the president had said 2 weeks ago, I believe it was, that Apple would not be immune to the next round of tariffs. And it appears here cell phones are not included in that. You know, in addition, the U.S. is looking for an agriculture buy. So if we've backed off now on certain tariffs after this phone call, you may assume there could be something on the Chinese side to show their good faith related to this. But again, this is progress for a trade talk that had been stalled up to this point. And we had a phone call which happened just a few hours ago, if you look at the timing on this. So this is literally breaking news the Chinese have put out and the U.S. have put out. But again, good news, the fact that they're still talking, and there could be now another trade meeting here in the United States in September. This all points in the good direction.
Thank you, Edward.